No, I'm not fit.
Because I'm the one marrying the girl. Now me won't marry the woman. So I'm not supposed to allow my wife people to sponsor my wedding.
But on the other hand, it's not bad. I feel alarm.
But if I'm up to a man that I want to marry a woman, so I suppose to know my pocket before busting into marry a woman.
If I broke, we be say I no get any at all to avoid shame. I feel let them take care of her. But after that thing, nothing more again.
I will not feel allowed her. Because they can feel challenge me at any time for her to tell me that they are the one that give me some money for me to marry the lady, put her in my house. So that is what I cannot allow them to marry her for me.
No, me I no agree. Make them sponsor my wedding for me. Just why? Because maybe you know all these things that it's like somebody will give you job self. At the end of the day, you go to laugh and say, no, me give a job. You no go prosper, you no progress. But talking say somebody go sponsor it for your own, my own wedding. No, I'm not like that.
Yes, so now welcome back. Now, Bubbles and we still the carry the son Jonathan. The matter what they talk about today. Now, say you fit allow your babe family sponsor your wedding. Everybody talk plenty things for them. But now one thing I really want to say, I believe say before you go even step out, say you won't marry, you suppose don't know where you don't reach for life. The number one basic thing we supposed to get as a man, say you won't marry. Now say okay, you get accommodation, you get work.
That or not really the camp now. We do it since they go.
Why?
Understand?
Why?
No, if you see who you like now, whether you get job or not, you know say you won't marry this person, a person you like. For the person not to slip off your hand. If you engage her, believing in God.
These are the things you do.
Believing in God, you understand? Have a job, my friend.
You go and put the girl ring.
Yes.
The ring would be there.
Meanwhile,
fake, and you're still.
Meanwhile, I was cantabbing you, and thank God somebody else now said something about your mission. Okay. I remember that these people one day
they will use them
against you.
Now,
if you touch, you no go feel, you no go feel just take over that marriage like that. Your wife, if you offend you, you go mind the way we say go take.
Hello, excuse me. Because now, may I correct you? There's a difference with someone telling me that you go tell me say na me marry this wife for you. No, dowry different from the ceremony itself. I am paying you dowry with my money. I am paying dowry with my money.
How much is dowry?
I don't care. I've paid you what you
let's
asked
say for instance you want marry girl from Benin now. When you say Benin, their daddy na 25 naira. You go there now, you pay 25 naira. When the family can't pay over 150 M
now
to sponsor your wedding. What are you telling me?
Now listen, most times the families of because why they tell you you know to blame the guys. Now say the family of the girl, they always get standard. I don't see family go call you, we want marry. Say, Shakara, we know you are a good comedian. We know you have money. But please, the person you are about to marry, you understand, her status is this, and that. So we're not telling you.
I already have problem with that already.
They are telling you
see, funny enough, I be that kind of person. I already have problem with you, my in-law already.
Why?
Let me say you are telling me now.
I'm telling you, I know you have money.
Now you be on our family spokesman. You can't say you know I have money, but the other one married this. So we want the wedding in so place, and we'll pay for it. Don't worry.
No, maybe for is as now security problems.
Who security?
If they don't want maybe like now they fear the Boko Haram and they say they want this place to be.
Boko Haram go burn
this, and you cannot have access to that place. And they are telling you, I'm just saying. See, their families.
Their daughter.
Let me tell you.
So we should do the wedding in Paris.
I get many. Me, I don't get many experiences of even some people come marry from my uncle's side. Where they hold it where you understand. I would even tell I don't even tell the guys where they come and say, oh boy, if you come inside here, say you go get issue because the people won't control you on one thing.
Do you have a sister?
I have two sisters, yes. Now, out of these two we enter this family, we come marry. My auntie now be the one we know how to control, you understand, because they hold the bar. But one of the last guy, my own guy, I don't call him name, that one, he no agree hear anything. Then put money for the wedding. But that one, as he married first, he first carry come up from inside, from the States, where they did. He cut and go another place. So, you get how you first go feel no say as a man, you understand? When once you marry, if you want enter marriage, when you don't say your in-law.
Okay. To be sincere, I get your point now very well. But one advice where I will give for such people where they your side, because a lot of people they your side now. Know your stand.
That's my side.
You say willingly, man.
You tell them that carry on.
You say it's a plus.
So you know, and you if
I'm not. That's what you.
So you don't go agree. You don't go agree
to support totally.
You should be able to take a stand.
Who is telling you that your 1 naira will still not be spent?
I'm telling you now that we have so many people.
You already say they pay 150 million to your account. Where's your 1 naira coming?
Where's your 1 naira coming when they are giving you 150 million?
Second. I give 2 of you that illustration now. Please answer me now. You have gone to your in-law. Otedola, I'm marrying the copy. And the wedding will cost 50 million. Abi? The man say, okay, no problem. Okay, keep planning. Go ahead. Then, hold on. Then he throw you guys 150 million. Please, 2 of you. What will you do? You dey smile.
Maybe we do see your opinion when we come back. We answer.
That they telling me. You will go on the money, spend 50 million and keep 100 million for honeymoon.
See your opinion.
I'll not go feel happy about it. First I will be happy, then later I won't be happy.
Mama supposed to be the one now to take care of the wedding. If the family say they will take care, it's the same thing now. I'll agree. No problem.
That's logical. We go do am no need. Since you don't accept, say make we do am. We go do am.
I no go vex. Because now the same thing. I no go vex. As far as say now their mind they take drum, I no go vex.
No, in the craze with that. That one a craze. Why you go allow my family to sponsor the wedding? No, the both partner, although they may want to, but he is not in the right position. They're the right position to say me they do am.
I no go feel anyhow. I go just, argue with them small. Say why you go allow make them sponsor fully now? Please, you supposed to insist. Say okay, you go do small. No. I won't feel okay. Why now? Now you dey marry me, so now you go spend money now. You go share the money. My family go pay. You too go pay.
The man need to pay with his own money, being my bride price, because I cannot allow my parents to pay my bride price because it's not encouraging.
No, na first as I dey date, I go know say this guy dey comfortable. Maybe you just want me dem do am. So you no be say no get, that's why you no want to. I no fit open my eyes enter fire na so. So it all depends. If my parents are more richer than him, so at least but you have to drop something. Like from my own state, you have to drop a cow. Like Malu, you have to drop it. The tubers of yam, you have to drop it. You have to get the horse. So, why they work now? But pay something. That's the choice.
Yes. So now welcome back. When I don't see your opinion, I just see. So, no matter what they talk about today, now say you fit allow your babe family sponsor your wedding. That's not the matter what they talk about today. These babes are not talking plenty things.
Some day good, some day for.
Most don't talk say then day for.
Then say
You see You see no man, every man in this life, you understand, go gladly happy, make it business and him the one where they hold the responsibility, say
definitely
he handle the wedding.
Definitely.
Nobody talks say you totally allow make the other family do. But like as I give you an example, your wedding at 50 million, they throw you 150 million into your account. What thing you go do? Now one chef answer that question.
If your wedding, listen.
Answer
your
the question.
Now 50 million. They can't give you 150 million.
They just
that 50, your account. But you on your own, no say your estimate of your wedding at 50 million.
You don't already tell your in-law. You don't go with them. You don't tell them.
But out of that 50 million, you know say Shakara listen.
I'll take that 150 million as wedding gift.
Thank you. Out of that 50 million, what be your estimate? You know say maybe you personally don't get like 35 million.
What are you saying? You're not getting the point. See. They say if your see this drop of alcohol here is too tiny to suppress this whole thing. We're not saying you don't have money. You have 35 that you get for your wedding.
Yes.
But you don't go meet your in-law with your wife to be. Una sit down, you show them your budget. Say you have 50 million. Now say that what you want to spend with this. They say okay, bye go. You next thing 2 days or maybe after 2 months, they throw 150.
Show your
why you going to
your budget.
I'm just even if you don't tell them, your wife still tell them say everything don't dey okay. You understand? Because your father-in-law feel the ask, he has money. He wants to know everything. If you marry rich family, they want to know if everything's not there okay.
Yes, now.
Have you done this one?
Because of their friends.
Because their friends. They are doing it to them. So they are on their own now. Come through you don't do everything, no. You don't pay for hall, pay for your wife gown.
Anyway, nobody will go collect that fight.
That one a normal thing. I say they just come on their own, come give people extra money.
So you go always go beg them, say this thing now.
There's nothing.
If their families you get into that, whether you like it or not, you will not spend.
But I dey put am to you say we get so many guys wey be say these days wey be say dem no go even put one naira down when they don't know say their babe family get plenty money.
Let me tell you, my brother.
I think at this point we should say kudos or big ups to the Yoruba families. You know, say most Yoruba families.
They always take the responsibility.
Both the ones we know even they well to do, on that wedding day, the mama go cook from our own house, come. The mama friend,
they go cook.
Senior sister
go cook.
Like
you
that.
got to see,
and most of the like my Yorubas. Even the Indians now, if you want marry, now India go sponsor your wedding. If you marry rich father-in-law, they go give you. They go now the girl go pay you. If your father-in-law rich, they go give you money, set you up for company. But if the day they catch you cheating, you don't end.
In one word, will you allow?
A defense for this one.
You go need to allow. You don't get choice now. Unless you don't want to make God bless you. Make God not hear you now. Don't say you don't want to allow. Talk her now.
You go allow.
Why they ask me for waiting? I want to. If I see I marry Buhari's daughter.
No, you know.
Or DJ Copy.
You ask them say, is this still your mission?
It's not a mission.
It has been your mission all the while since we started coming to this bar.
DJ Copy and Buhari's daughter. That's all.
I beg the most important thing I say all the men them wey dey there before you go marry, make sure say you don't reach one particular level before you go say you want marry.
If you know say just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.